Hi everybody, hope y'all doing well. Welcome to LFX channel where I share Forex analysis and trading ideas. Please, if you like my content by the end of this video, hit that like button and subscribe if you would like to be notified each time I post a video. Also, there is a link in the description to my Telegram channel where I also post the Forex market updates. Alright, so without further saying, let's go ahead and dive into the analysis. Okay. All right. So first, I always like to check the currency strength spreadsheet that I've already prepared for you guys. So feel free to take a screenshot or pause the video, whichever works best for you. All right. So let's head over to DXY right now and see what's going on with the chart. So we can still see that it has been on a down wave for quite a moment now, but we also can see that it did break over the trend line last week and maybe showing some signs of reversal moving to the upside. Uh, it's starting to form higher highs and higher lows, but honestly, it's not quite clear what DXY is trying to do at this point. It is also heading back towards the trend line or towards this key level over here. Will that be only a corrective structure before a bullish move, or will it break under this resistance line and keep on a down move? I will be updating you on my Telegram channel once it is clear what direction is the DXY taking, and that's why you should definitely check the link in the description for my Telegram channel, and click on it and join my Telegram channel. All right, next, let's go ahead to the Euro US dollar. All right. Okay, so on the Euro US dollar daily time frame, we can see that there is this major support area with the market being facing several rejections. Okay, once we switch over the 4-hour chart, let's see what's going on. Okay, let's just, okay. All right, so there is another clear price rejection area towards where the market is heading now. And we would like to see or to wait to see whether it gives us a break and retest scenario where we can see it break over this level here, then comes back and retest it. If that's the case, then we'll be looking at a long position with a risk to reward of 1 to 4. Oh, yeah, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Okay, it's cool. Or it might bounce back right at this level, hit towards the initial support well, initial support line, and we can see that, and maybe you can see some clear rejection signs, maybe form some double bottom structure before we go ahead and take a long position towards our target. Okay, that will put us in a much better position where we can have 1 to 5 or to 6 or even to almost, yeah, over 6 risk to reward ratio setup. All right, next, let's go ahead and check the British pound and US dollar. Okay, all right. This has been on an uptrend channel as well. It is now at the resistance level, looking like it is trying to break over, but facing some rejections. Ideally, it would bounce back all the way to the support level down over here, then face few rejections and maybe gives us a confirmation for a buy as a form of engulfing candles or long bottom wicks or anything of that nature before we take a long position with the target being all the way at the top of the channel and the stop loss placed right under the support area over here with a 1 to at least like 5 risk to reward ratio. Otherwise, if the market keeps going up and breaks above the resistance, we'll be looking for a confirmation over that level for a buy, but probably not the best set or not the best position, as we'll be looking at a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Okay, so that's it for that. Let's go ahead and check the US dollar, Swiss franc. All right, it is on a downtrend overall. We're looking at the daily chart. Let's go ahead and look at the daily chart very quick. All right, as you can see here, it is on a major downtrend. It has been for a little while. So we're not going against the trend at all. So let's move back to the 4-hour chart. All right, on the 4-hour chart, okay, so there was a long momentum to the downside that happened last week. I believe it was on Friday, if not Thursday night, one of the two. What we would like to see here is a break and retest scenario again with strong rejections to the downside at this level over here. But it could be a straight impulsive move all the way to the bottom or to the target down in the bottom, as you can see here. Well, I doubt that this pair will head back up at this point, but if it does, then we should definitely stay away from this trade, as it's going to be against the trend, and that's #1 rule that you learn in Forex, like never go against the trend. All right, so with that, so the risk to reward, if we go short, should be looking something like this. So that's what we should be looking at. All right. Okay, so let's head over to the Aussie US dollar now. Okay, Aussie US dollar. Okay, so I have taken a buy position in this pair last week, and it is still in profit. I'm expecting it to keep moving up. I'm taking a partial profit soon, and will be moving my stop loss to break even. That way, if the market decides to go back and retest the support area, then I'll be out of this trade with partial profit at least. Then we'll wait again for some buy positions confirmation, and that's what probably should be doing right now. If I haven't taken that trade, that's what I'll be doing. I'll be waiting for the market to hit back and hit that support level and give us some kind of double bottom confirmation. Maybe we should go to lower time frames and look for that sniper entry, and we're definitely gonna see if there is like a rejection. We definitely we'll see it clear in lower time frames. Then we should be looking for a long position in that case. That's what it is. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the NZD US dollar. All right, so the NZD US dollar is usually the same scenario as the Aussie US dollar. They move kind of like similar. So there is not much going on. The same thing. So if it goes back and retest the support area, then we might be looking for an opportunity to buy at this level and target the highest level reached before, with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 4. Okay, so 1 to 4 right there. So that's pretty good. It's pretty good. All right, and let's go ahead and check the NZD Canadian dollar. NZD Canadian dollar. Okay. All right, it is overall on an uptrend as well. As I checked already the daily chart, we do see that there is a major support area over here. The market faced several rejections at this at first, then broke over it, came back to retest it. Well, that only says that this area here is a major key level or price rejection area. I mean, a lot of price rejection happened in this level. What I would like to see is this pair coming back and to find rejections again and to give us a confirmation setup for a long position, with the target being this highest level reached before here. Okay, so yeah, that should be what we'll be looking for in NZD Canadian dollar as well. All right, so I mean, that's basically the pairs that I've been looking at, and it's not much, but at least that's what I'm looking at for the next couple days at least, you know. And I'm hoping you guys, go ahead and subscribe. I mean, not subscribe, but just, join my free Telegram channel. And once you do, then I will put daily updates and things of that nature there. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy my trading ideas for the upcoming week, or at least, like I said, for the upcoming days. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all on the next video.